80s classic here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1988 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am T-top car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. Actual mile car, just a little over 65,000 is all. 5-liter V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with a automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes. AC blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia. This one nice and clean. Bright red paint code 81. Gray cloth interior, and you can see that paint looks like it's wet. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, and look at the undersides, how clean this car is and solid. You'll see the interior, cargo area, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, if you're watching this video, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Great looking wheel. Date code on the radial tires, 2024. Plenty of life left in those. Let's take a look down this driver's side. You can see this car is really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Cloth interior also in extremely nice shape. Of course, bucket seat, center console. One thing the technician did note, radio is in op. It powers up and lights and hear a little static, but did not get it to work. Just so you're aware of that. Gaskets around the T-tops, nice and pliable, look like they're in good shape. A little bit of wear on that headliner, as you can see. And it does have the mirrored glass T-tops with the shades in a plastic bag right there. And if you look in the still pictures, you're going to see these GM storage bags for the T-tops, the retractable kind of security cover, I guess, if you will, to cover the cargo area. That is working. You're going to see that pictured both ways in the still pictures as we get a good look at the rear of the car. Few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Complete exhaust, catalytic converter intact. Brakes are 60% in the front, 70% in the rear. Does not pull, brakes straight, no shakes, vibrations. Typical powertrain seats. And again, he even mentioned underside, very clean in this one. If you like Trans Ams, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And if you've already subscribed to our YouTube channel, thank you. We appreciate it. Over 100,000 subscribers now. Wow, who would have thought it when we started this? Door panel looks good. You can see these seats just don't show much for wear at all. That fabric in nice shape. Of course, tilt column, cruise control. Power windows, power locks. Those are functioning. Power mirrors. This also has the power close down on the deck lid. Let's go ahead and fire this up. So there's your exact miles. If I can get it to focus, 65,257. There it is. Check out the gauges over here. Oil pressure should be coming up. Excuse me, temp should be coming up. Let's come back here. Oil pressure, battery, and fuel gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. Top of the dash looking good. Tack working. I did mention it looks like it's the factory radio. It'll power up. You hear a little static, the gain, switch, everything lights up, but we have not got it to actually produce any sound or music. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top, what you'd expect. Pretty much stock 1988 TA. Alright, I should be able to get this one one-handed here. If you'd like to see the RPO codes or exactly how this was equipped from the factory, that'll be in the still pictures. Of course, it's that TPI 5-liter tuned Ford injection. See, it appears the AC has been converted, and it does blow cold, and of course, power steering, power brakes. Good looking Pontiac from the 80s, no doubt about that. 1988 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am T-top car. Actual miles 65,257. Carfax does not indicate any accidents. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1988 Pontiac Firebird. Trans Am on the doors of this car. We've got vents in the hood, glass T-tops over our head. It's a beautiful Pontiac. This is an automatic on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Just put your foot down and feel that 80s goodness. Nice acceleration. We're quickly doing 55 miles an hour. Speedometer, tachometer working. The battery gauge showing over 14 volts. The fuel gauge showing a quarter of a tank. Temperature is a quarter of the way up and rising. The oil pressure is pegged at 60 on the gauge. A lot of these cars back then would read high oil pressure upon startup. Check out our retail report to see if that gauge is reading accurately. It's in the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com. The blower motor works on this car. Cruise control also functioning as it should. Power mirrors also working. Power windows. Comfortable cloth bucket seats in this Pontiac. Do see some wear on the visor, a little bit of staining on the headliner right above from the T-tops, from maybe a rainy day when the T-tops were out and did not put them in. This car corners excellent, doesn't lean very much in the corners, handles the way a sports car should. Horn working also. Check out all the pictures of this Pontiac from 1988 at UniqueClassicCars.com.